There's a lot of creatures on the planet Earth, and we'll try and meet them and know their worth. We'll explore the mountains, the jungle and sea, and we can learn some animals with Abby.
Hot sand. Ow. Hey gang, here I am on the California coastline, and I'm looking for today's animal. Do you guys want to guess what it is? That's right, Al. It's an octopus. Octopi are cephalopods and are famous for their 8 arms. Each arm has its own brain to function, plus one main brain. That's a total of 9 brains. Octopi live up to 2 years and can weigh up to 22 pounds.
Was that your stomach?
No. Yeah.
We'll fix it in post. Just get ready for the underwater segment.
Okay. Wait, the what? Octopi stay in various oceans, but prefer warm waters. Most octopi crawl on the ocean floor, but they can also swim by blasting water through a muscular tube called a siphon. An octopus's diet consists of crabs, shrimps, and lobsters. Bonjour, et maintenant cuisiner avec Abbydiversary. Today we're going to be showing you all how to make grilled octopus. Isn't that right, Marcel? First thing you're going to want to do is boil your water. But in the meantime, you can season your octopus.
Now, of course, we need to make sure that we boil and then cool our octopus before grilling it.
You can also use olive oil and garlic. You know, if you're into that. Once your water is boiled and your octopus is seasoned, all you gotta do is put them in the pot. Ah! My face! My boyish pudding! Thank you, Marcel. Octopi also have the ability to shoot out ink to confuse predators. They also have the ability to change their color to fit their surroundings. Marcel? 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 Octopi are solitary creatures that like to live in their own rock dens. Hey man, sorry about before, but have you seen Marcel anywhere? Alright gang, Abby D's gotta go grovel to save his co-host. Make sure you eat 3 square meals a day, and I'll see you all next time.